Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix apps not working issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on this profile icon and click on manage apps and device. After click on manage apps and device, click on available apps. So if you want to fix this problem, so select your app and update app. Select app and you will see. After update app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and select specific app from here. Select app and click on storage and click on clear cache and click on clear data. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update and click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix apps not working issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.